but good morning. And welcome to my first weekly vlog of 2022. My first weekly vlog being back in Canada. You guys, as you can see, I have not gone back to do my lashes. These, what lashes? Where? Yeah. I'm about to go do laundry. It's Sunday. Y'all know weekly vlogs start on Sunday. It's Sunday, and this is actually a really good week to start weekly vlogs because we got a lot of things happening this week and this weekend. We're traveling. Yeah. Yes, we're traveling. Okay. So yeah. But let me just give you guys a quick synopsis of being back. I think actually this is probably where I'm going to insert my little, I don't want to call it a breakdown, and I don't want to take it lightly because it wasn't anything to be taken lightly. But I'll insert it at some point, and then we can kind of talk about it, I guess. And just kind of give you guys an update on how things have progressed, where I'm at now, how I'm moving forward, yada yada yada, and all of that kind of stuff. This week was my birthday. Monday was my birthday. Sunday I had my dinner party. And nothing went according to plan. I don't even think I elaborated in my birthday vlog about everything that transpired, but the first venue that I was supposed to have my party at canceled on me on the Thursday. My party was supposed to be the Sunday. I found another place last minute. The day of, they changed plans. The menu wasn't right. How things were supposed to go didn't go, but for the most part I had, you know, the people, well, people that love me in a room to celebrate my life, my day, my birthday, and that's all that really mattered at the end of the day. I had the 360 video there, so I was able to, you know, capture the moment, have some fun. You know, I always like to have some sort of like activity or something, some sort of entertainment there other than myself. So that was really cool. Or whatever, it's always a vibe linking up with my people them. So yeah, that was Sunday. Again, as I said, Monday was my birthday. Went to work, so it just felt like a regular day, but Fuffy came by, surprised me. She left a gift here for me, or whatever, and yeah, so that made my day. And yeah, as I said, I just been back, getting back into the routine of work and all of that stuff. It's been almost a month now since I've been back, so not that long. And yeah, that's all that's really been happening. Haven't really had a lot of orders because we've been locked down, so there haven't really been that much events. That's the only downside to doing like events during this time. So yeah, January was kind of quiet. Plus I was only here for what, 2 weeks in January anyway, so it is what it is. And now it's February, I believe the 6th. Yeah, so February the 6th. As you guys know, Ade is pregnant. Yay! I'm getting a nephew. Yay! Sandy's also pregnant. I'm getting another nephew. Yay! But this weekend is Dave's baby shower, so I am decorating and just helping out with the shower in general. So I'm flying to Philly this weekend. I leave Thursday and then I come back Sunday. So I got a lot of stuff to go do for that. I actually have to go on the road and check for some items. I need to actually start packing just to make sure that everything that I have that I need to bring down I can fit in my suitcase and carry on. This is actually the first time I'm actually going to be linking up like with anyone in the crew, and bringing a check-in. Like, I normally just fit everything into my carry-on and I'm out. So yeah, it's a big deal. Really excited. Really excited for that. Super excited. Like, I can't believe she's pregnant. I cannot believe she is pregnant. Like, every day I just keep reliving the phone call and I'm just like, girl, like the pregnancy test is favorited because I'm just like, bruh, this can't be real, you know? Like, it can be real, like, it can be real, but if you know, you know. So yeah, but God is good, bruh. But yeah, I want to change my nails before I leave, so I hope I can do that. And yeah, but I gotta do my COVID test. I need to book my COVID test to come back. What else do I have to do? I need to go find a pair of jeans today. I think I have a white top that I can wear, but I need to find a pair of jeans. I actually need to have a call with her because we need to go over like some other details and stuff like that. But yeah, also I have to go on the road. Whew, let me just tell you what I gotta do today. I have to go on the road. I need to go get groceries. I need to visit one of my cousins because I have an event consultation with her because her sister is having a baby and we're throwing a baby shower, or she's throwing a baby shower for her, but she needs me to assist her with the planning. So I need to go do a consultation for that, and then I also need to go do another measurement consultation for another project. Somebody wants me to do a flower wall for them, guys. Oh my god, you guys know how I feel about the flower wall, but it's a project that I get, you know. So yeah, so I gotta go do the measurements for that, and then I have to do another one for my sister. Jesus. So yeah, guys, help me, okay? But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So I have a lot of things that I want to do on the road. Plus there's this restaurant called Perkins. They sent me a birthday like meal gift certificate thing, so I kind of want to go redeem that and have that for breakfast. It's pancakes, bacon, and eggs. Yeah, just basic breakfast, but better than nothing. I've been craving pancakes, and I need to go pick up my waffle maker for my friend that she got me for my birthday because that was on my birthday list. I wanted a waffle maker. I know, basic, but yeah. So yeah, gonna do laundry, you guys. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I don't know how the laundry room stays. We got some new washing machines and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know why 9 o'clock is stuck in my head, like I'm supposed to be doing something at 9 o'clock. But yeah, let's go do laundry. How y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing well. Hope y'all are having a great new year so far, and all of that kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, I don't think I was recording this whole time, and I'm annoyed a little bit. I'm not re-recording that, so sorry. But anyways, I'm back inside. I put my clothes in the wash. I guess I'll show you that. I was telling you guys about the app where I can track all my stuff now. So those are all the machines that I have now. Why does my phone keep flashing? Those are all the machines that I have running right now. I'm doing 4 loads of clothes. So yeah, I can go back downstairs in 18 minutes or 32 and just call it a day. And yeah, so I'm doing that. I'm going to clean up a little bit. I want to go on the road and start getting stuff together. I'm waiting for my cousin to message me and just tell me that she's up so I can run over there. And then hopefully when I'm done with her, by that time the other person has reached their location, and then I can go get her measurements, pick up my waffle maker, get my ass back home, and start cooking. Actually, while I'm cleaning, I'm actually going to start cutting out the name cards for day. Yeah, let's go do that. Y'all, this is my life, okay? This is Sade's corner right now. Like, these are everything that I kind of need to pack in and stuff. So yeah, but oh, I need to get ink. A lot of stuff I need to print for her. Shit, I hope somebody pays me. I need some money. Go to work. And I have a vlog uploading for you guys right now as well too. I haven't been doing too bad. I'm still uploading my Jamaica vlogs, but I haven't been doing too bad. You know what I'm saying? I haven't been doing too bad. I have not been doing too bad. Nah lie. Oh man! have not been doing too bad. Oh my god.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you know that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Wanna be down with what you go. Wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his real silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
No, I thought my camera was broken. Like, I thought my camera was broken. I went downstairs to put the clothes in the washing machine. Came back upstairs, camera on the ground, lens halfway, half in, half out, not turning on, battery exhausted, all of it. Anyways, by the grace of God, because I'm just like, how am I going on vacation? Mini, long, or nuts? How am I leaving and I don't have a camera? Anyways, the consultation I was supposed to go to for the measurements for the flower wall, she is kind of confused in regards to what time she's gonna be there, whatever. So I'm just nixing that off of the list because I got things to do. Yeah, so I'm about to go get my birthday breakfast. Yeah, it's 11:22. I'm about to go get my birthday breakfast, and then I'm going to go and see if I can find a pair of jeans. I gotta go to the bank. I gotta go see if I can find a pair of jeans. What else is it that I have to do? And then see if I can run to the grocery store before my cousin calls me to come to her house to do the event consultation, and then get my ass back home. I did not clean, I didn't do anything. Yeah, so let go. So guys, I reached my destination. This is where I'm getting my breakfast. It's funny because Fuffy actually took me here for the first time, not this location, but there was one in her area, and the food was so good. Like, the food was so good. Like, we don't have many like breakfast joints. Like, you know how you would have a lot like in the States? Like, we don't have so many. So when you find one and they serve like really good stuff, or maybe I don't know. If there are a lot in Toronto, comment down below, let me know. Because I feel like I want to try a lot of new places this year in terms of food as well, and different types. like breakfast, brunch, whatever, all them type of something there. So yeah, comment down below, let me know. And if you're interested in restaurant hopping with me, holla at your girl. But yeah, let me go in and grab my stuff. And yeah, because your girl wants her free breakfast. Like what, man? I was bored. Not by the river. Well, Humber River, because I listen to band. So yeah, bored by the river. Anyways, let me see what the people are gonna say. I'm gonna soon come. So guys, I'm here. I have to print it out. So I'm here using the Holiday Inn because that's what it's connected to. Yeah, Mr. Brown at Hotmail. I'm using their computer and printer to print it out. What the fuck? Never. No. So here we are. Oh, don't fasten on my emails, people. You're bright. Perkins Bakery. Here we are. There we are. How do I print this? Hurry up, the man. I want out of my food, brother. Cha. Okay. Happy birthday from My Perkins. Yes. Oh, all right, guys. Here we are. Let me show you what I got. I got some hash browns. Freaking love hash browns, bro. Freaking love hash browns. I turn on the car because it's winter and it's hella freaking cold. I'm seeing all these Air Canada planes and I'm just like, yeah, girl. I'll leave the country soon. Okay, there's butter, there's ketchup. I don't see syrup. There's syrup. My eggs have cheese and bacon and my pancakes. Happy birthday to me. How old are you now? How old? How old are you now? How old? Yo, but nice, you know? What? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Feel snaffle. Wake up. Taste the color of the ash brown if you need a little salt and pepper. They give me a lot. Tasty. The syrup is thick. This is some real Canadian maple syrup, baby. Oh my gosh, you guys. So much stuff happening. Wow. Okay. This is why it's not good to take a break, because you just be forgetting everything that transpired. But first and foremost, all of my first cousins, we're getting a baby girl cousin. Like, how amazing is that? But like, I just feel like wow. Like, God knows what you need exactly at the right time. And it's hard to tell people, like, don't worry about things, or, you know what I mean? Because we're human. Like, we're gonna worry about something, especially if it's something that you really, really want. You don't see it coming, or you don't have any control over the outcome. But I don't know what it was. Like, I felt like when her sister Terry said she wasn't sure if it was her wishfully thinking, but she just felt something. When they announced that they were pregnant, and I reposted it, a lot of people responded to my story and were just like, I hope it's a girl, I hope it's a girl. And like, I was just like, if Tammy gets pregnant again, like, Zaya is going to have a girl cousin, because of just how close they are. I just feel like they would have to have girls to raise together. So said, so done. Now, next thing. So big up them, because like, they needed a girl. I feel like their dynamic now is gonna change like so much, just because there's gonna be a female in that house. Like, it's gonna be so good. So good. But next thing, Miss Fenty. Now, it came out, I think a few months ago. Someone said, oh, Rihanna's pregnant, or whatever. And I was just like, from as far as I can remember, people have always been calling down pregnancy on Rihanna, right? And she never shown a belly yet. I think it was a few weeks ago. There was a photo of her, and to me, she just looked with child. So yeah, seen the picture of her, and I was like, yo. I even commented it on the shade room, and I was like, yo, I don't like commenting on females when it comes to pregnancies and that type of stuff. I don't like doing it, but I was just like, yo, if she is, like, I'd be so happy for her. I think it was my birthday, Monday. Pics came out. Rihanna's pregnant. Like, you know when somebody wants something? She's always talked about kids, all of that kind of stuff, and it just always came down to her, like, having somebody to have a family with. You know what I mean? All her relationships haven't worked out for a reason, and obviously this is the reason. Like, she's gonna have a beautiful baby, but yeah, it's just all these miracles are happening. So, y'all, whatever you want, just keep asking God for it. If it's meant for you, it will be for you. If it's meant for you, it will be for you. And until it reaches you, just do everything that you can to prepare yourself for whatever it is that you're asking God for. And yeah. Babe? 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 Joel! Alright guys, so my breakfast is done. I feel like I want a tea. I'm gonna see if I can find enough change and go pick up myself a tea. And as I said, I gotta go to the gas station, go see if I can find a pair of jeans. My cousin still has not reached out to me as of yet, so me reach back home and start cook. Sorry, fair, but I don't feel like being on the road all day. So yeah, I got things to do. It's already after 12. And yeah, I got things to do. So yeah, catch you guys at the next stop. Bye. Hey guys, and welcome to Tuesday. Lord Jesus, I don't know why I try to speed up the week, but didn't come back to you guys yesterday. What did I do yesterday? What did I do yesterday? I don't even remember. What did I do yesterday? I don't remember what I did yesterday, but I got some good news yesterday. Got some really exciting news yesterday. Got some really exciting news today. Today, as I said, is Tuesday, February 8th. It's my best friend's birthday. Big up Fluffy anniversary day. And it's my brother's 50th birthday, you guys. Yes, my older brother is 50 years old. And it's almost 11 o'clock at night. I'm here working because Sade dropped asleep. And no, say we have literally 0 days left of her shower. So I'm currently here printing out her water bottle labels. You guys, the theme is just so freaking cute. So these are her labels. And yeah, like we can barely wait. So I can't believe she's pregnant. But yeah, did that. These are all the things that I need to pack in my suitcase, amongst other things. Pause. I got a waffle maker for my birthday. So I've been using this, you know, making my waffles and stuff. My house is in shambles because I'm currently cleaning. So garbage, currently cleaning. This is the rest of, well, some of the stuff that I've printed for a day. I'm not gonna cut them. I just go wait till I reach Philly and then cut them all when I get down there. So this is just gonna be my like printable bag and stuff for all the labels and stuff that I need to like make and all of that kind of stuff. Is it done? Oh, I was supposed to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6. Yeah, so that's that. And then I need to pack. So I kind of want to empty out one of my suitcases tonight before I go to bed, so I can just kind of start putting my stuff in there. Tomorrow I have my COVID test to do. Because I realized that I have to take my COVID test 24 hours before my flight, or at least a day before my flight. I hope I do it right because my COVID test is 5 o'clock. My flight is 4:55 or something like that. So yeah, I hope that works out for me. And then I said hold on. You didn't hear when I said hold on, dingy? Yeah. I'm gonna take a shower and call it a night. I have a lot of things to do tomorrow. I gotta go pick up her balloons. I have to go, as I said, do my COVID test, and then any last minute stuff that I need to get, I have to get, because Thursday I'm leaving work early to come back home and then go to the airport in time to check in for my flight. And then I'm out and I won't see my apartment until Sunday, which I come back in the morning, so it's pretty good. I think I leave Philly at 9 in the morning. It's like an hour away, so I should be home by 12. Yeah, should be home by 12 o'clock or whatever. I could cook on Sunday if I want to. Hello, and my outfit is so cute for the shower. Speaking of which, I need to find something. Well, even if I go down, I can find a bodysuit when I go down to Philly, so that's the least of my worries. But yeah, shit, gotta go to the bank. I have to go to the bank. I don't have to, but I should. Yeah, because I need to get US. So I didn't think about these things. I found $1 US. Oh my god, you guys, look at my bra. That's what I need to buy when I go to the States. A bra. What the fuck is this? This is not no cheap shit, you know, man. Oh my god, God, send me one brazier. This not cute. Anyways, yeah. I'm tired, but I just did not want Sunday to come and pop up and be like, hey guys, yeah, end of the weekly vlog. So this is it for Tuesday. I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow when I'm packing and catch up with you guys then, okay? Guys, it's Wednesday and I'm just coming home. What a controversy it was just a while ago. So had to come home today. It's Wednesday, by the way, in case you didn't know. It's Wednesday, February the 9th. Oh my god, I gotta go message my brother-in-law. It's my brother-in-law's birthday. Y'all, I don't know, but for me, I be remembering stuff, right? And then I forget it. Like, I'll be like, okay, today is so-and-so's day. You know what I mean? And I forget. And then it won't be before I go to my bed I remember. I don't know. So anyways, just getting inside. Well, I was home already, but I had to go do my COVID test, which I did. And I had to go pick up Day's balloons, which I did. My cousin's car was giving me problems. Like, I pulled over for so long and I was like contemplating whether or not I wanted to drive it home, but I'm just like, girl, it's winter time, what are you doing? Couldn't indicate nothing. Some fuse did blow or whatever, so I was just downstairs with him for the longest time, helping him trying to figure it out. So we fixed it, so now he's good to go. Because I hate when I use people's stuff and then it stops working. Like, I don't like doing that, because then I don't want people to feel like, okay, every time I blend that girl, that's something it mash up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to be considered crosses. Like, ew. So that's how that's, right? Okay, cool. So now I'm home and I gotta pack. It's almost 8 o'clock at night. Oh my god, I only have 4 minutes left on this memory card. It's almost 8 o'clock at night. I gotta pack and get ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm leaving work at 12. I come home, I checked in already, and then it said that I should arrive by 1:55. So I get home, I'm hopefully going to be getting home at 1 o'clock. I don't live that far from the airport, so I should be at the airport in like between 20 to 30 minutes max. So even if I get home at like 1:30, which it should only take me about 30 to 45 minutes to get home, I should have enough time to do any last minute stuff that I need to do. The one Shade up to now shouldn't send me all the things that I need in order to leave, but yeah, sorry baby K, auntie tried, okay? I really tried, and I'm really excited about this weekend, you guys, because again, if you know, you know. But I'm so excited for Day, and I'm so excited for Checo, and I'm so excited that I get to be a part of this journey. And I'm just so excited that, you know, like, I was able to help and assist with one of like the biggest days of, or events of her lifetime. So super excited about that. I'm super excited to see everybody. I'm super excited to like link up. It's been a long time since I've seen all of the girls like in one place. The last time was when they were at my house, which was back in February 2020. So it's been 2 years. Damn, it's been 2 years since I've seen everybody. So like, as I said, all together, because I seen Sade in December 2021. Last December I seen Day, but yeah, I haven't seen the rest of the girls. Sammy or Sandy, and now there's Amelia, there's baby M, and now baby K. So bombat. So super excited about that. But yeah, I'm gonna get to packing. I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all that, because there's not really much that I'm packing, but if there is, I will take you guys along with me. I got stuff to do, so I'm gonna do that, okay? So guys, today is Thursday, and yeah, traveling has started. I'm at the airport. I'm at the airport, checked in and everything, ready to go. It's now, hold on, I'll tell you the time, 3:10. And my flight does not board until I think 4:30. I want to get something to eat because I'm not hungry. I didn't eat anything. Well, okay, let me correct that. Till about maybe an hour ago, I didn't eat anything all day. But I stopped and I got some fried chicken and rice and peas. on my way home, and I was munching on that for a little bit, but then I thought I was running out of time because when I checked in, they told me that I needed to be here for 1:55, when in fact I got here and there was nobody here. Like, there's literally nobody here. So sped up for no reason. Oh, no space. 1 second. It's back. So what was I saying again? Yeah, I rushed all the way over here for nothing because nobody was here. Like, literally nobody is here. So I could have took a little bit longer, but whatever. Anyways, I'm here. Checked in, everything was fine. Forgot to tell them to mark my suitcase as fragile because I traveled with my cutting machine. So I pray to God, this is the first time it's ever taken a plane. I need to get a carrying case so that, you know, just in case, like, for future things that happen like this. But whatever, maybe I'll see one in the States and I'll get one there. So yeah, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I'm in the plane. I got a window seat, so we'll get some views or whatever. But me pre-food right now, I damn me out of it. So I'm gonna look about something for consume, and then I'll come back and I'll talk to you guys. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see baby K. I'm so excited to see Dave pregnant. Sandy might not be able to make it because Millie Boo's sick. Yeah, she's stuffy right now. Yesterday or the night before, it was bad. Sandy was saying that she wasn't able to sleep. Millie Boo wasn't really able to sleep because she couldn't really breathe properly or whatever. So she may not be able to make it. I'm not sure about Sammy, but yeah, and I'm so excited. But nevertheless, gotta still continue. It's still gonna be a vibe regardless. And yeah, so I'll see you guys when I'm on the plane or when I'm eating or something, or when I come back or there's something a little bit more that I can talk to you guys about. But for now, bye. So guys, I just got something to eat. Hold on. Ooh, just got something to eat. I don't even know what the place is called. Something burger. But some Parmesan tots and my burger, a BLT burger. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna eat. I'll be back.
The federal government of Canada requires that all passengers over 2 years of age wear a face mask at all times while on board. This applies to all travelers, including those who are vaccinated, fully recovered, or tested. Refusal to comply with the wearing of a face mask could result in a fine of $5,000 as well as authorities leaving the flight. The mask must cover your nose, mouth, and chin. The only time you may remove your face covering is for brief periods of eating.
guys, I made it to Philly. It's now Saturday. Whoa. It's now it's now almost Friday. But I came and I went into work mode. You know, whatever. Getting everything ready and stuff like that, but I made it. I don't know if this is gonna be, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some parts in my weekly vlog, and then there's gonna be obviously a travel, you know, we're doing travel vlogs now, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, travel with me to Philly. I'm here. I'm in Brightest Day's room. If you guys don't know who Brightest Day is, I'll leave her link down below. I'll whoops, link it down below. Tell me you guys don't know this wall. Tell me y'all don't know this wall. Like, I did not know I was 6 months pregnant.
Oh, wow.
The infamous wall. Yeah, guys, I'm check out this night, tonight, and tomorrow night. So, yeah, see you guys in the morning time. I gotta do a COVID test tomorrow. Have to pick up some stuff and do a whole bunch of work, blow up a whole bunch of balloons and stuff, but we got everything under control now. I ain't worried no more. We got everything. I'll pop you off. Oh, got everything under control now, so yeah, not sure you bad. You know what I mean? Yeah, as I said, I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Toodaloo. People, I'm in Philly, man. I'm in Philadelphia, bro. Where are you guys? Oh, don't worry about that. I'll put music over it. At least you know the flex. Life of a YouTuber, man. Morning, guys. It's Saturday, February 12th, and we're in full production mode. See the people that want to come down my backdrop. Say hi. Say hi now. So anyways, guys, we're here. Full like, me not even know what to call it. Swap shop, sweatshop.
A factory with an assembly line.
Listen, okay? Like, we got mad things going on, like beer things. Don't mind the turtle tank. Who that, people? Wow. Wow, when was the last time you seen that face?
Wow, you know, it's not, don't feel away. I'm kidding.
Yes, we're here. We even turned bakers overnight. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh my God. Look at it. It looks so cute.
Look back here.
What the other one there? What the other one there? Wait. See there?
That's big enough, right?
Yeah. We got this cake yesterday. Let's not even talk about it, but yeah. Huh? Okay, guys. I'll talk to you later, okay? Bye. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, today's Saturday. So the shower will be separate. Whole weekly vlog finishes today.
What's that?
Weekly vlog finish lost to buy.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me?
We are taking them out.
It's a celebration. But I want somebody about drinking at them and it's either
Congress the car. Trust me. Trust me.
Hey guys, so it's Sunday morning. It is 9:05. I'm bored and like, I don't know, but leaving here soon. Philly, that is. And yeah, I did not get to vlog a lot, you guys. It was so hectic. Like, from I got there on Thursday, like I was just getting everything ready for the shower, but we literally planned the shower in like a month because I was in Jamaica, and then we got down to like the real nitty-gritty when I got back, so it hasn't really been that long. And in the midst of that, I was planning my birthday, all of that kind of stuff, so it was a lot. And then me being in Canada, trying to find people in Philly and stuff like that, but it worked out and everything honestly came together so well. There was a few little hiccups or whatever the case may be, but it wouldn't be sell off if there wasn't a little bit of, you know, so that's good. I'm just happy that her Sweets, baby Sweets, had an amazing time. Like the smiles on both of their faces, their families' faces, their friends' faces, like that. You guys, this is why I do what I do, because of how it makes people feel. So yeah, I'm gonna ask Sandy if she's having a shower. Because yeah, all those linkages and stuff like that needs to be, I need to see Sandy pregnant. I missed the first baby, and Millie Boo's my goddaughter, and I have yet to see Amelia, and I vow I'm not making her get to age 2 without seeing her. So I have until December to go and see Amelia, or for me to send for Amelia. bent my freaking nail. Anyways, I'm gonna see if I can charge my phone. If I can find my charger, which I don't think my charger is here, you know. Shit. I got to the airport, checked in and everything. And yeah, it was quick. Oh, I'm gonna ask Dave's sister to bring up my edible arrangements. I forgot it in the fridge. Oh, I'm so tired. I can't wait to get on this plane and get home and sleep for work tomorrow. And then I have an event to do this weekend. I have to help my cousin with her 360 for an event. I have a couple orders and I need to go home and like start. Like, this took up so much of my time just because I had to like factor in traveling, and you know what I mean. But yeah, what I was originally saying is I really wanted to capture everything from decorating to getting everything, like in terms of like the rentals for all the extra stuff that she wanted and everything like that. It took a lot, but as I said, it was really weird. Not a lot like, oh, a lot, you know what I mean, but it took a lot, as I said, because I'm not in Philly. So yeah, it was a lot of trial and error, but we know now who to work with, who not to work with, and that type of stuff. And again, as I said, we showered the parents, we showered their closest friends and their family. Welcoming baby K, super excited, honestly. Yeah, what a blessing. Yeah, whatchamacallit. But yeah, I wanted to get, when we were setting up, I wanted to get like at the shower and stuff like that, but I was also the host, so I couldn't really do anything. I couldn't ask Sammy to vlog because she was vlogging for Shadi. It is what it is, man. You guys will see it on Shadi's channel. I will link her channel down below. And yeah, this is gonna be it for Philly. I'll probably put a little montage of me leaving in the plane. And yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed. And until next time when we get on a plane, I don't know where we will be going, but I'll see you guys then. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.